So here I have the cordless Eureka vacuum. I was looking through all the frequently asked questions. I'm going to answer those for you and hopefully help you out with your purchase. The first question I was seeing is how tall is the head of the vacuum? So I did go and measure it. It sits at 2 inches. So some people are curious if it could fit under their couch. So off the floor, it sits at 2 inches. So hopefully that works with your furniture. The second question I was seeing was, does it stand by itself? So when you have it with the stick vacuum attached to it, it does not stand by itself. This actually moves back and forth, which does make it easier to vacuum, but you're gonna have to stand it up against something or lay it down on the ground if you're gonna walk away from the vacuum. It won't stand straight up. However, when you are storing it, I don't have this attached to my wall yet, but they do give you a stand that you can put on your wall, and they give you the screws as well, so you can store it on your wall and it'll stand up straight then. And then the final question I was seeing is, is it easy to replace a filter, and how do you do that? So to do that, all you gotta do is unscrew the filter. You can take it right out, and they sell replacement filters right on their listing too. So if you ever need to get a new one, it'll be right there for you. It'll be really, really simple. But overall, I'm super happy with this vacuum. It's really easy to use. It's cordless. The attachments, you can switch from, vacuuming in your car, which I was just doing, to now I can go attach it to the stick side and go, vacuum throughout my house. And that just takes seconds to do. So I love how easy it to use. I normally don't splurge on a vacuum. I tend to get the lower end ones. I went a little bit higher here. And honestly, I'm super happy I did. I don't know why I wasn't doing that sooner. So 2 thumbs up for me.